Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to edit your daily screen time limit on TikTok. By setting your desired time limit, you can manage your TikTok usage effectively. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. From the bottom drawer, tap on Profile to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Look for and tap on Screen Time within the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 6. Within the Screen Time settings, locate and tap on Daily Screen Time. Then tap on Set Daily Time Limit. Step 7. To edit your screen time limit, tap on Edit the Screen Time Limit. Modify the time limit according to your preference, and tap on Next once you're done. By editing your daily screen time limit on TikTok, you can ensure a healthy balance between your app usage and other activities throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and enjoy managing your TikTok usage more effectively.